So I've had this problem for a while. That bath handle is on and it's attached with two bolts. This side, however, both bolts are missing, and the only way to get access is directly through the back end of the bath, and this is our spare handle that should go on there, and then with two Allen keys hook onto the top, but obviously access wise is an absolute pain. So what I've done is I've got a thing of thread. I've put a little bolt on top of that. I've screwed it onto the thread. Now I'm going to put that through this hole, get it underneath there, and then we will put the bolt on this string, pull a string through each of those holes so we can get the bolt and attach it to that side without having to take the bath off or anything else. Right, so I've got that bit of string now, so that's connected through there, and that's the nut. So I've just put that underneath there and brought it out with my hands. Now I'm going to tie the nut to that and bring the nut up through there and hopefully try and line it up with the hole. Around the string, around the bolt, I'm going to try pulling the bolt through there. The bolt through. Now all I just need to do is put a nut on that and a washer to stop it from falling down. Hold that in place. Put the washer on. Obviously, usually you would want to use plastic ones and stop any water from going in. And then we'll just loosely put this on just to stop the bolt from falling. There we go. We'll break the string. There we go. And that is how we can get the bolts through. And now we'll repeat the same step. We'll do exactly the same step with that one, with this one, and then eventually we'll be able to reattach our bath handle back on the bath. Right, so I managed to thread both bolts through using that method, and now just got the handle to put back on. I've got two washers either side to stop the water from going down underneath and seeping through those holes. And now I just need to reattach the handle. There we go. And after a couple of washers, putting the using the small Allen key underneath and using that to tighten up the handle. That is handle all put onto the bath, and again that's without taking the bath out, having to lift it or do anything, and then that is it now watertight and two usable handles again. Hope you enjoyed the video and hopefully